Thank you all for following us. I look forward to seeing you in 2 days for a new show that should fascinate you all. And that is entitled Electricity in the Air. Hey, Amélie, how are you?
Pierre, you all right?
Yeah.
Oh, you seem concerned.
Concerned? No, not really. Freaked out, yes. After tomorrow, I have a show about hybrids, plug-ins, the different types of use, the charging stations, something a little sharp, you see, but that I have to popularise, and I don't know much about it, if at all. I'm at my wit's end.
Well, I can confirm you are not an expert, because hybrid and plug-ins are a little bit the same thing. I tell you what I know. The company has just equipped me with a plug-in hybrid. They explained everything to me. I am unbeatable, and plus, I love this car.
Ah, that's cool. I only got a simple electric scooter.
That's not great indeed. What do you want to know?
For example, you say plug-in hybrid. What is it? It charges itself, it's you who plugs it in?
Both. In fact, let's say your battery is empty. When you brake, it gets back energy. This allows you to ride silently for short distances in electric mode, and then please without CO2 emissions.
All right, but why rechargeable then?
Because automotive engineers are clever and good observers. They noticed that 3/4 of the drivers did not drive more than 50 kilometers per day. I'll continue if the coffee is on.
Of course, I should have offered. Charlene, can you get us 2 coffees, please? Well, not too strong, huh?
What were we?
50 kilometers?
Yes. No more than 50 kilometers. Therefore, they installed a battery that lasts 55 kilometers.
And how often do you charge your car? Thanks, Charlene.
Whenever I arrive at work, click, I charge it. And in the evening, I leave and I can drive home all electric.
Do you plug it in a special socket?
So a domestic plug is enough. That's what's great. Where are they? At your parents' house, at home, at a friend's place? They're all over.
So you always drive electric?
Well, yes, my colonel. Not a single drop of gasoline. But wait, if you have time in the morning, I'll give you a demo. I have an appointment with one of our advertisers. Come with me.
Now this is becoming interesting.
And so wait, what will please you even more is that so that your little buttocks are not cold, I will turn the heating on while the car is charging.
Even from a distance?
Of course, summer and winter, a cabin always at 21 degrees.
Oh yeah, it does feel really nice in here. That's cool.
And that's not it. Look, you also have the eSafe function.
And what's that?